Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, we're going to teach you how to remove any person on any photo. So we're just going to use a certain app called Snapseed. It's going to be this one right here. Now this is the landing page. On how to get it, just go to App Store, search Snapseed, and this should be the application itself. Just download it, install it, and click on open once you're available to download it anymore. That being said, when you're on this landing page, click on the plus sign, download any photo you want. This is a sample photo I got from the internet. So from here on out, I want you to click on tools. It's on the middle part right there, and scroll a little bit and choose double exposure. Once you have double exposure right here, I want you to click on the plus photo icon next to the X or cross sign. This one right here. Upload the same photo. Just click on the same photo. It looks like there isn't any difference, but don't worry, just drag your photo to the left. You'll see the difference. There you go. So the idea here is we're duplicating the photo and placing them on next to each other. Make sure they're right beside each other. Don't put them all together like this close. You'll have a problem later on. Just give a little bit of space right there. And then once you're done placing them, click on the opacity icon. Swipe it all the way to the right, click on OK right there, and there you go. The other person is removed. Now we have the black icon right there. We don't want that. Let's click on this icon right here. It's on the top one, the one with the arrow. Click on it. View edits right there. Now click on double exposure, click on the middle icon. Now from here now, we're just gonna brush it off, the guy we're trying to remove. Brush it right there. I know it's looking bad, it's color black. Don't worry, it's normal. That being said, I think we're good here. So just click on check once you're done, and then go back on the original photo. Now this is the landing page again. This is the timeline editing platform again. From here now, click on tools back, and we're just gonna click on the healing icon. Now we're just gonna heal the black parts. Click on that one. Just keep on clicking. We're removing the black stains right there. We're just clearing the blemishes. And there you go. The guy from this photo is removed. You have a beach here that is clear from guys. I know there's a little bit of difference. Just keep on using the click healing button right there. Making sure everything is the same. So there won't be much of a difference, okay? There you go. This is a perfect photo with a guy has been removed. That's it. That's how you remove a photo, a guy on any photo, or any person on any photo. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button, subscribe. Have a safe one, guys.